Prince Carlos, take care of your father. I will be checking in on everything.
There is no need, Your Majesty. I'll take good care of my father for you. As for you, Your Highness, I'll be awaiting your return.
Ah, I had almost forgotten. For our new partner, make sure he feels trusted and welcome. Also give him the task. We should receive a call from an airship, leaving us updated messages on our little intruder.
Will do, sir.
Marcus, are you alright?
Yeah.
You're nervous, aren't you?
To tell you the truth, I am.
Don't sweat it, Marcus. Everyone has to take care of themselves.
We spotted a Royal Sacria airship. We will encounter it in approximately 120 seconds.
Everyone, we will quickly raid their airship. I'll get the princess. When I do, immediately retreat. Are you all ready? Alright then. We'll be there shortly. Everyone prepare yourselves.
I hope Marcus is alright. I miss him.
Cornelia. I need to have a chat with you when we return home about your actions and other things as well.
Cornelia, it's me.
Marcus!
Cornelia, I'm here to save you.
Save me?
We'll talk later. We need to get out of here. Come on! Alright.
What are you doing, Marcus?
Trust in me, alright?
Wait, why?
Come on, let's go get you inside. Stay in here. I'll be right back.
Alright.
Don't worry, Cornelia. I will be right back.
What did I just do? I hope Father makes it somewhere safe.
I'll be awaiting your return.
Why would he await my return?
Hi!
Hello.
Marcus will be down here in a moment.
Okay. Thank you very...
My name's Ayeka. Nice to meet you.
My name is Cornelia.
You're really pretty.
Thank you. So are you.
Aww. You're such a sweetie.
You're welcome.
Oh. I'm sorry about that.
It's fine.
Is this thing on?
No, it's not.
Ugh. Really?
Just joking, Marcus. It is.
Oh, damn you, Vice! Hello, everyone. I just wanted to thank you all for everything. You helped me and risked your lives for my selfish needs. I am thankful for having such trustworthy comrades under my wing. And even though we've been through so much in the past, you're still sticking by my side. Thank you so much, everyone.
Oh, Marcus. You still don't get it.
Understand what?
Oh! It's nothing. I'll go get Marcus in here in a little bit. Just you wait now, hun.
How could I face Marcus after everything? He saved me, so he doesn't hate me. But I wonder what he'll say to me. Marcus, I can't even explain how terrible I feel.
You shouldn't explain how bad you feel. That's not even important right now. I know why you never told me the truth. What I need to know is, even though you knew who I was, why did you still meet me?
Damn.
Shut up, Vice.
Day by day. We spent all that time together. And you knew that your kind would never accept mine.
Crap!
Why did you risk putting you and I in this position? I want answers, Cornelia.
I knew of the consequences, and yet I couldn't help myself from going. My head knew better than to secretly meet with the rogue, but my inner emotions took over. So I went to meet you every day. When I was with you, I completely forgot about my real life, until I had to return home. You made me feel like I was someone normal. It was selfish of me. My apologies, Marcus.